What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today, beautiful day, $500 across all 5 accounts. Here, I'll post a screenshot. So that's 2.5k USD, which is beautiful. It's around 3.2 in CAD. So yeah, today we are Wednesday, September 10. We had news at 8:30. So let's keep in mind 8:30, but nothing later. Before I start, if you guys enjoy this type of content, subscribe. We're nearly at 100, so subscribe, like, it really means a lot for me. So, very soon, we'll meet the buffer, as you guys seen in this screenshot that I showed you guys. The accounts I just need like one more good trade on the followers account and around $200 on the leader, so the buffer is met, and then the snowball effect will just start. 2.5k USD payout. Bang, bang, bang daily, It's gonna be beautiful. But as of right now, let's just keep doing what we're doing. So, let's start. So, coming into market, we had London low right there. We had London high right there. I stopped using the red lines just so we can have actual text on the lines, make it easier to see what zone actually hit. So yeah, Asia low, 2 right there, Asia high. Now we have our strong liquidity zone marked. What else can we have? Well, we have this previous day high. How can you know what is previous day? Straight up look at the daily. Perfect. What else can I see before going to the lower time frame? Well, already I can see this hourly fair value gap, which is unfilled as of right now. This is 9, so let's just go in replay mode. All right, so this is what price is looking like. So yeah, we marked everything. Let's go to the lower time frame. Everything is placed well. Beautiful. 5 minute. And the hourly fair value gap, can I adjust it somehow? Not really, so I'll just leave it like that. All right. Now let's just get those lines. Beautiful. So now what do? I wait for market open and I start watching and building my context. For now, I'll just skip all the way down to 9:40, so 5 minutes before macro open. So it's just easier, and yeah. 9:40. Let's skip 15 minutes. 9:24. All right. So let's just wait a little bit more. All right, 9:40. So what can I see already? Market open. What happened? We dumped all the way down to this Asia high. Then what? We are in a continuation of Asia high, so we didn't sweep it, we just ran through it. All right, what else can I see? I can see that we have this hourly fair value gap and this previous day high. So most likely right now, I'm looking for longs. We have fair value gap, 1 confirmation, previous day high, 2 confirmation. As long as we keep, as we don't, go through previous day high and just normal sweep, then I'll be looking for longs, right? So macro open in 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Perfect. So 9:42, what can I see? We sweep previous day high and we're still respecting this fair value gap on the hourly, right? Now, normally I'm looking for a 1 minute fair value gap setup to go long for this specific scenario. But as we know, higher time frame holds more importance. So the hourly fair value gap is very important. So we need to mark it, right? Perfect. Now what can I see? Well, we had this hourly fair value gap right there at 4. But what can I see in price? We disrespected it, right? So as of right now, my bias is very bullish. And I'm looking for a long setup. So let's keep on going. Now Asia high though, if we see right there, what happened? So technically, what should I do is once Asia high gets ran through like that, so we didn't sweep it, I should just, to be honest, remove it, right? But as of right now, I'll leave it so I can show you guys what I did and just let me explain, right? So market open in 1 more minute. Market open, bang, we came down, swept this previous day high. We're still in this fair value gap. Now, this is an hourly fair value gap, so I don't know where price can go before start actually playing, right? So as of right now, we'll just wait. I'm still waiting for my 1 minute setup, right? Now, I still had this Asia high marked. And what did I see is we kept going to it, but price kept reversing. So as of right now, I wasn't actually sure about what to do. But this didn't mean if I saw a fair value gap, I'll just enter for no reason. No. My bias is still bullish for the day. We are respecting this previous day high. We are respecting this fair value gap. Why? Because the body didn't close below, so it's still respected. Now I can mark this and see if we respect this this short fair value gap and invalidate this fair value gap, then now I'll look for a short. On the other hand, is if we disrespect this fair value gap, so let's just bang, we already disrespected it. Why? The body of the candle closed above, so I'll straight up remove it. Now, like I said, my entry should have been right there. As soon as price tapped back into here, bang, I enter, stop loss below, right? But since I had still this Asia high, I wanted to make sure that this is that this fair value gap was holding. I'll show you guys the execution in a second. Here, I'll post a screenshot real quick. All right. So when I see price, we're still in this fair value gap. I wanted to make sure that we go out of it and then back so I can enter. So this is exactly where I entered, 958. So quick recap. Once Asia high got disrespected, I should just bang, remove it straight up. Then this fair value gap with this previous day high are getting respected. So my entry would be anywhere from 954, stop loss right there. Now, for this instance, I wanted to make sure, and price could have ran without me, but price came back. I entered right there. I had 25 point stop loss, which is 100 ticks. And now when I enter a trade, I'm looking for a 1 to 2, unless any buy side gets swept and then respected. So we have this buy side, this buy side, yep, here, I don't know what I was looking at, and we have this one right there, but a 1 to 2 is right there, so I don't need to mark the higher. Let's see what price does. So beautiful, price kept pushing. Now seems like we swept this, but we need to make actually sure that we swept it before I start closing my trade or whatever. So let's wait. And no, this got ran through, so perfect, I can remove it. What else can I see? We had a 1 minute fair value gap. So as of right now, my stop loss, I don't go break even, but when there's stuff like that, stop loss was all the way to break even. Why? We create a fair value gap. So most likely if price wants to come back, it will come back here and should respect this fair value gap. If it disrespects this fair value gap, then the whole setup should just fail anyway. So I was already risk-free for the trade, targeting here. And then bang, I got my 1 to 2. But now I'll show you guys why it's actually important to have this marked. Bang, bang, bang. That's 3 candles where the body couldn't close above. What can I see? Price start reversing, right? So that's why it's important, really. 1 to 2, or the next buy side to sell side until it gets, what's it called? Until price sweep it and start reversing. So that was my trade. I showed you guys everything. Let me show you guys the thing. Execution mark. Can I see it? All right, I don't know. It doesn't show the execution marks anymore for some reason. Oh, it does. It does. Oh yeah, it does. All right, I don't know. So like I said, exactly 9:58 is where my entry was, and exactly at this buy side, I closed the trade. That's the proof here. So yeah, beautiful trade, beautiful day. If you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe. Let me know, guys, in the comment. What trade did you take today? Loss, no trade, did you guys win? You know? And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. That was day 4 or 5, I'm not sure. I'll go check later. But yeah. If we win tomorrow and then Friday, 100% can request a payout. But I won't force anything, like I said. I mean, you guys seen. I'm respecting my rules. I'm doing everything right. And I'm getting results, honestly. Like I said, day 1 to 30, the challenge. 100% disciplined. And we'll see the results. But yeah, by next week, I'm pretty sure we'll start getting actual payouts by the daily. But if tomorrow and Friday I win, I can start getting a nice payout already. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.